Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. I'm going to show you how to do the onboarding of your products. Please go to Countertops.com. On the main menu top right, click on Login. By doing so, a second tab will open. You are now on your Countertops dashboard. Please scroll down and select Products. Now we are going to do the product setup. Welcome back to the dashboard. Let's now add the prices of your edge profiles. Scroll down and click on Products. Under Product Setup, you must enable the edge profile. Click on the red button here to enable. Click on the eye to make it visible, and finally click on Configure. Now you can see all the different edge profiles that are already available in the system. Let's enable a couple of edge profiles that are free, and then a couple of edge profiles that you charge extra for per square foot or linear foot. Scroll down and select your free edge profile. For example, Eased Edge. I am going to click on the letters here above, select Quoting. I want this to be visible in my quoting tool. Here I do not enter a price, but I specify that it is no quantity. So here you can either put 0 or enter price, you wouldn't touch that, but you must select no quantity. If you would like to call this edge flat or something different, you simply select the text and replace it. At this point, you can already save the changes made so far. If I scroll back up, that edge profile is now visible in my quoting tool. Now let's do a second example together of a free edge profile. So the edge profiles are organized in ascending order, from number 1 upwards and then A to Z. So if I'm looking, let's say, for bottom OG ball nose, I just have to scroll down, A, B, and here it is, bottom OG ball nose. I can also just click Command F or Control F, depending on whether you're using Mac or PC, and I could just type immediately here, and it would take me straight to that keyword there. Okay, so now I have bottom OG ball nose. I want it to appear in the quoting tool. I click on QT, select quoting, click on no quantity as I want to offer this at no extra charge, and I save. I scroll back up. Those are my 2 free edge profiles. Now let's select a few examples together of edge profiles that incur an extra cost. Let's scroll down and find another example together. Let's go and find a 3/8 radius. Scroll down. Once again, if I want to add something or remove something or simply rename it, I just type in here. Otherwise, I click on QT. I activate this edge profile in my QT, it's now visible, and I'm going to add a price. For the purpose of the demo, I'm going to say 15. 15 per square foot. Now I don't have to save systematically, I just like to do that in case the network drops. Now save. Scroll up. As you can see, this now appears. It is live in the QT, the quoting tool. Let's do a couple more examples together. I would now like to find chiseled edge. Scroll down. Here it is, chiseled edge. I activate it. It now appears in my QT. I type in my price. 25 per linear foot and save. Scroll up. These are my 4 edge profiles. If at any given point you wish to change the price, you can just do so immediately here. If you want to remove an edge profile and disable it, you would simply follow the steps the other way round. Remove the QT here and click on Save. As you can see, that edge profile has been removed. If I want to suddenly charge, I would just add a price per square foot or linear foot and save. If I'm running a discount, I can also simply change the price here and save. Thank you for watching this brief video. Now let's move on to more products. You can now move on to the next video tutorial for your product setup. Thanks for watching, and don't hesitate to get in touch if you have any problems whatsoever. Bye bye.